Our detachable cable set, not just your regular type of set, this is the set you'll be looking for if you're looking for any kind of premium cable. This not only has a coiled cable, it also has your straight cable, and you can choose if you'd rather have a coiled style or a straight style. Not only is this a USB-C to C cable, it comes with a USB-C to A adapter. What makes these cables exceptionally good is that if you have a Wooting 68G running in tachyon mode and 100% brightness, no problem. This cable can easily supply the voltage that your keyboard needs, or any kind of high performance keyboard that requires that stable voltage. And if you're smart, you can connect the short cable and the coiled cable onto different devices. And
ja, dat is weer een BVO'tje.
Ja.
Bye, have a great time.
Hey, nog één.
you can use the short cable and the coiled cable on two different devices and quickly swap in between the two devices with this fast to use FGG connector. And then, The cables are available in various colors and are now on the Wooting store. If you've purchased a Wooting keyboard from our store, be sure to check out the Wooting hub because you might have some benefits there. Bye bye!